Okay.
Okay. Good evening, brother and sister, all the Congolese people. The reason why I'm making this short video today is because our country is under occupation. Our country is occupied by the Rwandese people. And we are going to take this opportunity to go to London on the 19th of January 2020 to go to protest against Mr. Felix Tshisekedi, who was nominated as a president of the Democratic Republic of Congo by fraud. We know that he didn't win the election. He didn't win anything. He was nominated as a president, but he's not the president. He is the marionette, Kabila marionette. He is a puppet because he doesn't have any power. Tshisekedi doesn't have any power. That's why we are going to London to protest against his rival in London. We are going to protest because he sold our country. Our country is not for sale. Congo is not for sale. Congo is for Congolese people. We're not gonna scare anything because we know that Congo is so large country and every people like Congo. We know that. But Rwanda is a very tiny country, very small country. But with the help of the international community, they are helping them. They are giving them a weapon to fight Congo. But we are telling them that we are not afraid. We are going to liberate our country. Our country will be liberated by the people of Congo. The people are more powerful than weapons. People are strong. That's why we are asking all the Congolese people to be united. If we are united, nothing bad will happen to us. Nothing bad will happen because we are united. So we know that Tshisekedi is helping the occupants because they have a plan. They have a plan to divide the Congo. And we've got a clear message for them, a very clear message for them that Congo is not for sale. Congo will remain united. It will never be divided. So all of you, if you are working on the 19th of January 2020, just ask for holiday that day so you can come and join us and fight against the Rwandese people who are claiming that Congo, the area, Minembwe zone is for them. It doesn't belong to them. What we do know, we know that the Rwandese people came to Congo as asylum seekers, and they gave them the hill which is belonging to Congo. They gave them that hill of Minembwe to live there. They were living there, and now they are starting claiming that Minembwe belong to them. That is the land. They are the people who are seeking asylum. If they are seeking asylum in Congo, it's not bad. But when you started to claim that the land belonged to you, so how about the people for that place? What is going to happen to them? That's why we are saying that all the Congolese people who've got a time, they can come join us together, to fight together, to be united, and we are going to overcome. We are not scared of anyone. We are not scared with the international community who is giving you weapons to them, because I know the people, they've got a power. The people, they are able to liberate themselves. We will liberate ourselves. But the only solution we've got is popular uprising. Popular uprising. So we are calling on
on the popular uprising so we can overcome our enemy. We've got an enemy. Kabila is the enemy. Felix Tshisekedi is enemy. Mr. Kagame is the enemy. Those are three people. They wanted to divide our country. And so we are telling Tshisekedi, if he doesn't resign, if he still wanted to be the president of Congo, if he still needs to remain the president, we are telling him he will go back to Rwanda, because he claimed that today he is the partner of Kabila. So we are telling them, because he signed a secret deal with Kabila. He signed a secret deal. And because he signed a secret deal with Kabila, and we don't know the content of that deal, he himself, he knows what it says there. Because Kabila kept all the power. Tshisekedi doesn't have any power. How you can reach, how you can achieve your goal without the weapon? How you can achieve your goal without the key ministry of the country? We are telling you, Tshisekedi, you need to think twice. Ingeta, Ingeta, Ingeta.